The Kings are in Miami, and the Heat are rocking their Miami Vice jerseys tonight. Second half, Dragic slashes, does a fadeaway in the lane to beat the buzzer. It's only a 3-point game. We go to the fourth quarter, splash. Heat trying to extend this lead, trying to get some cushion. They have a double-digit lead right now. Here goes a slam. In transition, De'Aaron Fox, the rookie, shows up in the clutch in this game, bounce past Willie Cauley-Stein. It's a 3-point game, but the rookie gonna get a steal on the veteran Dragic. He blows the layup, but his buddy Hield cleans up that mess. So 1-point game. Fadeaway is off. De'Aaron Fox, the putback slam for the lead with 3 seconds remaining. He just flies over Dragic. The Heat are going to give it to Richardson for the game. Pulls up from mid-range, and it's off.
That was nasty.
The Superman, I heard Dana. Dana said something.
I didn't see that coming.
Dana's talking. He didn't see that coming.
He's doing all right, though.
He said, I'm doing all right. Putting on a show. I got to knock this guy out. If I can do it in the first round.